What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking the engine out of my 2014 kx250f. I recently rebuilt it because I bought it blown up and then it blew up again, and I really don't know why. So we got to take the engine back out, figure out what all I need to order, and then we're going to order it, rebuild it, and then hopefully we can sell it after that. So before I get to taking the engine out, it's a few stuff that I gotta remove just because I don't have an impact, so I gotta remove it with the engine still in there. Like the output shaft nut, the clutch nut, and the flywheel nut as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna set you guys up. Pulled off the crankcase cover on the right side, and I don't too much see anything out of the ordinary. I like checked inside of the crankcase cover, and there's like this, I don't know if you can see this milky black oil, like it's contaminated with like metal shavings or something. I don't really see anything inside of the motor itself out of the ordinary, so we're gonna keep pushing, and you know, we're gonna get this motor out, and yeah, go from there, see what all parts I gotta order so we can get this thing back running, because it did sound nice when I was riding it, and I only rode it for like less than an hour and then it blew up on me. It was, after I just spent $1,100 in parts for it, which kind of sucks, but it's whatever. So let's go ahead and keep going with this. trying to get the clutch hub nut off, but I couldn't get it off. Seems like it's on there way too tight. So we're just gonna take the engine out with the bolt still on there. I had a little stick jammed in between the back wheel and tried to break it loose by hand, but that ain't happening. So we're just gonna take it out, use an impact, and get it off. So we still just got the engine mount bolts and stuff like that. So we just got the engine out, got it sitting on the ground right, oh snap, right there. Didn't really take that long, but hopefully this weekend or something we're gonna take a look at it and see what else was damaged. I actually got the cylinder and the piston off when it first blew up. This is the piston that came out of it. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. And this is the cylinder. My assumption is that the piston ring, not the piston ring, the piston skirt went first, because as you could tell both of them are missing, and that was probably because of lack of lubrication. I was using motor oil, like regular car motor oil, because I couldn't find any motorcycle oil that was conventional for me to do the braking, so I had to use motor oil that was conventional because all of the stores. So that's my guess, you know. I don't really know, but if that is the problem, lesson learned. I won't do that again. I'll just have to order some conventional motorcycle oil for the braking. But this time when I rebuild it, I'm gonna sell it and let somebody else do the braking. That way it doesn't fall back on me, you know, and I don't have to spend like probably $500 in repairs again. But yeah, we're just gonna take a look at that and, you know, see what else needs to be done. But that's it for this video.